am loving this 100% wool blanket. It's 48 inches by 62 inches in size, and it's the medium one. I also have the large size, which you can use for your bed or for camping or something similar to that. But this smaller size is perfect for keeping it in the car, for camping trips, or bringing it along to an outdoor sporting event. It's thick and feels substantial, but not overly heavy. The warmth is exactly what you'd expect from real wool. It holds heat incredibly well, especially on chilly nights outdoors. I've used it while camping, and I've also just like to use it sitting outside by the fire, and it made a huge difference. Even in colder temperatures, it traps warmth and keeps you comfortable. I also like that it's classic military style look and durability. It feels rugged and built to last, which makes it a great addition to an emergency or survival kit. The fact that it's washable is a big plus too, especially for outdoor use. Overall, this is dependable, high quality wool blanket that's versatile enough for camping, traveling, outdoor events, or emergency preparedness. Definitely a great buy if you want something warm and durable that will last for years.